Hello connections, hello everyone. So my next task for the AI internship CodeSoft from CodeSoft was to create a recommendation system. So here's the code. I'll explain the code one by one. So first of all, we are doing suppose see this from line number 1 to line number 8. So from line number 1 to line number 8 till here. In this section imports the necessary libraries and suppresses the future warnings to avoid cluttering the output with warning messages. So suppose we imported NumPy, Pandas, warnings, sklearn, and these were the libraries which are required. So we imported in the libraries that are required. Next comes your loading the data sets from line number 10 to line number 22. From here to here. This part. In this section, it loads the movie ratings and metadata data sets from the given URLs. You can see the URLs and it will display the first few rows of each data set. Okay, now next comes the statistics. See, calculate basic statistics of the data set from here to here. This part of the code. This part it will calculate and print the basic statistics about the data set including number of ratings, unique movies, unique users, and average number of ratings per user per movie. I'll show you the output so then you'll get to know what I'm saying. Now comes the calculate the user rating frequency. So this part of the code. In this part it will calculate frequently each user rates movies and it will display the first few rows of resulting dating frame. Okay. And then the major part is this to display the lowest and highest rated movie. It will calculate and print the titles of the lowest and highest rated movies based on average ratings along with the number of users who rated these movies. Okay. So now the last part in this part we create a user item matrix using space sparse matrix. So this part okay, so this part from line number 60 to line number 78. So this part of the code, in this code it will create this section creates a user item matrix from the ratings data. So it will map the user and movie IDs. It will map the user and the movie IDs to a matrix indices and it will return sparse matrix along with mappings. Okay, and then comes the last part which is finding the similar movies using KNN algorithm. So this function finds movies similar to a given movie using the KNN algorithm It uses cosine similarity to find the closest movies based on a user rating, and it will print the titles of similar movies. So from line number 80 to this. So this is the main part of the code. Here we will use the KNN algorithm and to find the movies that are similar to a given movie. Okay, now let's see the output. What would be the output? Okay, this is the whole code. Now let's play and run in the terminal. See. So this is the output. So as using the first few rows of the movie ratings dataset has been printed with user ID, movie ID, ratings, and the time span. Then the movie metadata set is printed with movie ID and titles. See the number of ratings, number of unique movies, number of unique users, average rating per user, and average rating per movie. Next comes the user rating frequency. Then the lowest rated movie is this, and the highest rated movie is this. Now the number of users who rated the who rated the highest rated movie are two, and the number of users who rated the lowest rated movie is one. And since you have watched Grummier Old Men 1995, so based on this movie, these are the similar movies that have been displayed. So this is the whole recommendation system, movie recommendation system. Thank you.